U Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ubadai State President jongka Parti NPP Haka Jylla, ulaong baka jingmi jongka All India Trinamool Congress Haka Jylla, ompatla abanong AA, Haduh Katno kan Ktah eka Parti NPP, namar baka ni kaseng, kadai ke badang Syuan Thamai Haka Jylla, bat ki MLA ki badan hati MC, kidai ki bapet na kaseng Congress, bat ki bajob lengba de ki vote jongki nongkershan kaseng Congress, Hynrei on sai Peit pat haka jingi kunya ka election arajar arpolai.
Their interest is to serve the people. And well, like I have said, yes, the TMC, they are here, but they are yet to be tested. And when they are to be tested is in 2023. Because it's very clear that 12 MLAs, they are elected or they are voted by the people in the form of the Congress party. So now, of course, that is their, they came out of the Congress. I will not discuss that. That is their own thing. But they will be tested only on 2023. And like what I said, all of us, we also, when we first formed NPP in 2012, that time it was a wish, a dream. But it came into reality only when our MLAs are elected. Only when the people has given their, their stamp on us. So same thing with TMC. Only after 2023 we will see that whether TMC is a threat not only to NPP, but to other parties in the state.